Friends, today again we have here new project. We are going to observe the ground crew, airport ground crew activities using OpenCV. We will use OpenCV for mentioning the area. So we have now region of interest area. We will crop the particular area and we will send that particularly crop area to GenAI, and then GenAI will be continuously recognize what is basically going right now on the area. Simple. So for that I have created a new repository. I will mention the link. You need to simply copy paste the link inside web browser. So airport ground crew operations. Go to the code, and as we always do, just download our zip format repository. We downloaded our repository, then just open downloads. This is what our repository. Right click, extract all, click on extract. It will extract our repository. So this is what our repository. And let's just first download our video file. So open vid.txt, copy the link and open new tab, Ctrl+V, and just hit enter. It will open our video file link. As you can see, this is what our video file, and let's just download our video file. So friends, we downloaded our video file. So go to the downloads. This is what our video file. Cut, move inside our repository, just paste it. Done. Now let's just play the video file. So friends, as I mentioned, this is what our video file, where we have a plane, as you can see, and there is a activities going right now. So we can clearly see that the crew, the airport ground crew, is working there. There is a conveyor belt, and on the conveyor belt we have some luggage here also. So basically we are going to observe what is right now going on there. Simple. So this is what the observation video, what is right now activities going on the site. Simple. So for that we will crop this particular area with the help of OpenCV. We will crop the area using CV2 event mouse move. We have the XY coordinates, so we will mention our area with, and then CV2 dot polylines method, we will draw the polyline, and then we will crop that particular area and we will send the area to GenAI. If you don't know, I have already created one video where we observe the construction area. In that video I have deeply explained how do we crop. Simple, using OpenCV. So before this video, watch that particular video, then you will get the idea. So same code I have used here. We will crop the area, we will send that particular area, and because we want to observe continuously, so we need here, we are not going to send the still images, we will send continuously high speed images. So for that we will use open router, because if you go with the GenAI API key, there will be some message like just say the quota is over. Simple. So for that we will use the open router, and then we will send the live frame, the crop area, to GenAI. Simple. So this is what our video file. Let me close, and then I have already opened, this is what our video mega cloud. So I have already opened the open router. So this is what our open router. Click on it, it will open open router website. Then you can simply create your own account with the help of your Gmail ID. Just sign up with Gmail ID, then go to the here and go to the keys. We need key. So we are going to create here a key. So click on create key, mention any name. I will mention, let's just say YTT, and just click on create. It will create our API key. Let's just copy it, close it, minimize all these things, and create any text file. Save the API key over here. File, save it. Now copy the API key and mention inside our code. So this is what our code test.py. That's it. And here API key, we will mention the API key. That's it. And the packages we need, which is OpenAI. So go to the tools, manage packages, and search for OpenAI. Hit enter. Click on it and just click on install, and it will install OpenAI package. Then we need, of course, OpenCV -Python package. Hit enter. First package, click on install button, done. It will install OpenCV -Python. Then this is what my area. This is what my area. With the help of mouse move event function, we will crop the area or we will draw the area. Simple. And then we have here c2.polylines method, as you can see, for drawing the area. So now I will freeze here a frame, then you will get the idea in first frame what we have, basically what we will do. Simple. So I have freeze the frame. So friends, I have mentioned here a video file name is basically vid.mp4 and the video file name is airport.mp4. So we will change the video file name airport.mp4. Let's just save it and let's just run the code. And as you can see, as I mentioned, so this is what my area. I only want to observe this area because in this area the activities is going on. So I want to crop this area, so we will crop the area. We will crop here area, crop area. As you can see, crop area is basically our area. So our area is basically this area. Simple. And then we mention the crop area as a region of interest area. So we will use here a mask method, which I have explained in previous video. We will use here a mask method where we have black color mask, and on that mask we will mention our area using c2.fillPoly method. We will mention our area, then we will get the xy/wh coordinate, and that coordinate, with the help of that coordinate, we will crop the area. As you can see, y:y plus h, s:x plus w. This is how we will crop the area, and then the crop area we will send to GenAI. GenAI will be recognized what basically going on there. And for GenAI, this is what our prompt: airport ground crew operations details and the area. Simple. So this is the basic code. As I mentioned, I have already created the one video where we observe basically the construction area. So same code we use here, only we change here the prompt because now we want to observe the airport ground crew operations. Simple. And it will save the details inside the text file. Now we will run our while loop. So I will mention here a 10, and let's just save the code and let's just run the code. So the video is started. So we will get the response in a shell also, sending image to GenAI. As you can see, GenAI, and this is what our response. As you can see, loading cargo to containers. Let me stop here, then you will get the idea. This is what our response: loading cargo to containers onto aircraft using high loader, because we have high loader. Area is basically the area name. Then the ground crew members overseeing and assisting with the cargo loading process. Then the baggage cars parked on the ground, ground crew talking to each other. There is a communication between each other, the crew and the worker taking picture of cargo. Then we have a loading cargo to containers, then aircraft cargo hold using cargo loader. Then we have here guiding and positioning the cargo loader. Then crew members overseeing the loading process, likely monitor the safety and proper placement to containers. Then we have moving luggage and equipments around. So now what I will do, I will just remove these details, and now let's just see what we will get the response. Let's just save the code and let's just run the code. We will get the response in here inside the shell. Also we are saving the response inside the text file also. So now as you can see, this is what the response. We remove the details, and this is only simple response. Let's just stop the code. The baggage loading onto aircraft, ground crew personnel observing operations, baggage cart movement positioning, then baggage loading onto aircraft, ground crew operation, baggage loading, conveyor belt is there, as you can see the conveyor belt, and then ground crew standing by near baggage carts, yes. Then we have luggage handling vehicle and cart moving. So friends, as you can see, details or the Gemini response is completely depending upon what is your requirement. If you want the detail, just mention here a detail word. So we mention the detail word, we will get the full details. If we remove the detail word, we will get the response like this way. And all the response we are saving inside the text file. Downloads, and this is what our repository. Inside that, as you can see, this is what our text file, and inside that all we have the responses. Here it is, as you can see, this is what our latest response, and this is what our old response with all the details. Simple, all the details. So now simply what you can do, you can create the AI agent where we have only the large language model LLM, and you can pass this text file into LLM, and you can create the agent which you can, with the help of this text file, you can ask any queries related to ground operations. You need to simply pass this text file into LLM, and then that LLM will be act as a agent which only observe the airport ground crew activities based on this text file, based on the observation. Simple. But in this video we created only the vision model, vision agent, which only observe the vision based activities, and then it will save all the activity details inside the text file. Simple. So I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.